do you also forget to burp your baby? Today, we will talk about the importance of burping your baby. Namaste and welcome to Garb Sutra by Shweta Gupta. Today, we are talking about the importance of burping your baby. Burping is a simple yet effective way to ensure your baby's comfort, digestion, and overall well-being. So, why is burping so important? When your baby swallows air during feeding, it can lead to discomfort, gas, and colic. Burping helps to release the trapped air, ensuring your baby's comfort and digestion. Now, let's talk about how to burp your baby. Here are some steps. First, sit upright. Hold your baby upright against your shoulder or sit them up on your lap. Second, support the head. Gently support your baby's head with one hand. Third, gently pat. Use the heel of your hand to gently pat your baby's back. Fourth, check for burps. Listen for the sound of a burp or a gentle release of air. Here are some additional tips for effective burping. Burp after feedings. Burp your baby after every feeding, whether breastfed or bottle fed. Be patient. Burping can take time, so be patient and don't rush the process. Try different positions. Experiment with different burping positions to find what works best for your baby. Don't worry about spit ups. A little spit up during burping is normal, but if it persists, consult your pediatrician. So, what are the benefits of regular burping? Prevents gas and colic. Regular burping can help prevent gas and colic. Promotes digestion health. Burping aids digestion and helps to prevent discomfort. Reduces fussiness. A well-burped baby is often a happier, more relaxed baby. That's it. Burping your baby is a simple yet effective way to ensure their comfort, digestion, and overall well-being. Remember to burp your baby after every feeding and be patient with the process. Thanks for watching Garb Sutra by Shweta Gupta. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and advice on parenting and childcare. Thank you.